nervous. Okay,
Not
I'll
this
go.
way. I'll go. Almost. It helps, babe, if you hold it like
what?
like this, like a pencil, and then you just.
Well, I was trying to spread it, and then,
Okay, one more, okay?
What is that supposed to be, a bridge?
No, here you go. This one. There you go. Good, babe. No, go this side first. See, Mrs. Wait! You have to put more, okay. Ready? There you go. Yeah. This one. Careful because this one's still kind of wet. Okay.
Good job, Jeffrey.